Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to see history of Incognito Chrome in phone. Without further ado, let's get started. The first thing we're gonna need to do is we need to open our Chrome and select the three dot at the top right corner and then New Incognito tab. And then the next thing you're gonna need to do is to type this address. And then from there, find the Chrome history. And then you can finally see the history of your Incognito tabs in Chrome. And then that's it. I hope you learned something today guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.